Everything you think you need to do to make money is probably keeping you broke. And I'm not talking about surface level stuff here. I'm talking about the things that literally everyone tells you are supposed to make you successful, but are actually just wasting your time. So if you're ready to hear some stuff that might piss you off, but will actually help you make real money, then keep watching, because I'm about to break down the 5 things I stopped doing that took me from broke to $10,000 a month plus. My name's Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 a day at 21 and my first $2,600 a day at 22. That's cash collected, by the way, not even revenue. And just a few years ago, I was this shy, anxious kid from the low middle class with just a few $100 in the bank. Now, this is going to make a lot of people mad, but having a long 3-hour morning routine with waking up at 5 a.m., taking cold showers, meditating, reading, whatever, all that stuff is not going to make you more money. And before you start typing angry comments about how those are good habits, I know, listen to what I'm actually saying. I'm not saying those habits are bad. In fact, they're great habits to have in your life in general. What I am saying, however, is that they're not what's going to make you more money directly. Period. I've been there. I used to force myself to wake up at 5 a.m. sharp every single morning. I'd take a freezing cold shower first things first. I'd journal for 30 minutes. I'd meditate for 20 minutes. Read for a full hour. Do all the things that every productivity guru on YouTube told me I should do. And guess what? I was broke as hell. Like completely broke, because I was spending all these hours every morning doing all the stuff that made me feel productive, but wasn't actually making me any money. You know what I do now? I wake up at 6 a.m. usually, I make myself a cup of tea, and I get straight to work. That's it. There's no elaborate routine, no 3-hour-long ritual, just work. And I've never made as much money as I'm making right now. Here's the thing you need to understand. All those morning routine habits, they're maintenance activities. They maintain your health, your mental state, your energy, but they don't directly generate revenue. And when you're broke and trying to get to $10,000 a month, you need to focus on the revenue generating activities first. Once you're making good money, then yeah, go ahead and build out your perfect morning routine. But until then, stop using it as an excuse to delay the actual work that makes you money. This one goes in B tier because it's important, but not as critical as what's coming next. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Number 2, comparing myself to other people on social media based on the lifestyle they're showing you. Let's be real for a second. For a lot of us, why do we actually want to make more money? Yes, we want to provide for the people that we love and take care of our families and all the good stuff, of course. But if you're anything like me, you're also materialistic, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I like nice restaurants. I like breathtaking views from remote villas and luxury apartments in big cities. I like nice things. But here's the problem. If you spend a lot of time on TikTok and Instagram looking at all these so-called influencers who show you luxury 24/7, yeah, it can motivate you at first. But let's be honest, when you're broke, it can also make you feel like the gap between where you are right now and the life you actually want is so impossibly huge that you'll never get there. And then you always have this resentment sitting in your chest, this feeling of being behind, this constant comparison. And when you're stuck in that mental state, you're not focusing on actually working on your business, which is literally the only thing that's going to make you rich. So what did I do? I stopped looking at what other people were doing. I put my blinders on. I focused on myself and my own progress. I barely spend any time on Instagram anymore. I spend 0 time on TikTok. None. Because that stuff is poison when you're trying to build wealth. It's designed to make you feel inadequate, so you keep scrolling. You don't need to see what everyone else is doing. You need to focus on your own path and block out the noise. This one goes in S tier because it's one of the biggest mental blocks keeping people broke. If you can master this, everything else becomes easier. Number 3, reading books. Oh man, this one's gonna really make people upset. Look, reading is great. It's a fantastic way to learn new things or deepen your knowledge about a particular subject. I get it. But here's what most people don't realize. Most people use reading as a form of procrastination without even knowing it. I'm sure you've seen these videos from self-improvement channels where people brag about reading 100 books in a year and all that stuff. Yeah, it's impressive, it really is, but it's not gonna make you richer. You're most likely gonna forget 90% of what you read anyway. That's just how the human brain works. I'm not saying you need to stop reading entirely. That's not what I'm saying at all. What I am saying is this. If you have to choose between doing a revenue generating activity, like taking sales calls and reading a book, take the sales calls. You'll make more money. It's that simple. Nowadays, I only read books when I know I specifically need to read that particular book because it potentially contains a key piece of information I need for my business right now. Not because it sounds interesting, not because everyone's talking about it, only when I actually need it. And here's another truth bomb for you. Reading isn't even the best way to learn something. The best way to learn is by being mentored by someone who's already got the results you want. The second best way is taking an online course from someone who knows what they're talking about. And the third best way is books. And then, way down at the bottom, you've got all the free stuff like podcasts and YouTube videos. So stop hiding behind reading and start doing the actual work. This goes in A tier because it's a huge time waster that people disguise as being productive. Number 4, in order to get to my first $10,000 a month with my business, I had to stop listening to my friends, family, and teachers. Listen, unless these people are actually wealthy themselves, don't listen to them talk about money because they know absolutely nothing about getting rich and making a lot of money. This sounds harsh, I know, but it's the truth. Sometimes people make me laugh because they'll say a course on how to make money online made by someone who actually makes money online is a scam. But then, who else are you going to learn to make money online from than someone who's actually made money online? Like, are you dumb? Think about it. University is massively overpriced. It takes at least 4 years of the best decade of your life, puts you in massive debt, and doesn't even guarantee you a job. In fact, the stats show that tons of college graduates can't even find work in their field. But somehow, a $1,000 course from someone making 6 figures a month is the scam. Well, that makes zero sense. Your broke friends and your family mean well. They love you, they want the best for you, but they're also giving you advice from their level of experience, which is being broke. They don't know how to make $10,000 a month because they've never done it. So why would you take financial advice from them if you want to be wealthy? It's like taking fitness advice from someone who's out of shape. It doesn't make any sense. You need to find people who have the results that you want and learn from them. This one goes in S tier because the people you listen to will literally determine your financial future. If you keep listening to broke people, you'll stay broke. It's that simple. If you start listening to rich people, you'll get rich. It's that simple. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Number 5, investing my money in the wrong things. If you're in your 20s, 30s, or 40s, you should not be investing in the stock market or crypto as your main wealth building strategy. Now hear me out before you freak the hell out. Crypto is way too volatile. You can't predict it. It's basically gambling. The stock market is better, yeah, but it takes forever to see real results. Like, we're talking decades to build serious wealth. You know what the average annual return of the stock market is? Around 7%. Now that's not bad for preserving wealth, but it's terrible for building wealth quickly when you're starting from zero. Here's what you should be doing instead. You should only start investing in stocks and crypto once you're making between $10,000 to $100,000 per month with your online business, not before. The fastest vehicle to build wealth quickly is an online business. More specifically, a high-ticket consulting business where you're selling services for thousands of dollars instead of cheap products. That's where the real money is made fast. Think about it this way. If you invest $1,000 in the stock market, best case scenario, you make $100 in a year. If you invest that same $1,000 in learning how to run an online business, you could turn that into $10,000 a month within 6 to 12 months. The return on investment isn't even comparable. So stop putting your money in investments that won't pay off for 30 years and start investing in yourself and your ability to make money right now. This goes in A tier because it's a critical mistake, but it's not as mentally destructive as the comparison trap or listening to broke people. These are the 5 things I stopped doing that took me from broke to $10,000 a month. Stop wasting 3 hours on morning routines. Stop comparing yourself to people on social media. Stop using reading as procrastination. Stop listening to broke people and stop investing in the wrong things. If you can cut these 5 things out of your life and focus on revenue generating activities instead, you'll make more money than you ever thought possible. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.